TSO Machinery and our Arab brothers in building a better life in the Middle East. This project was made possible by the hard work and dedication of 95 foreign workers who joined hands with TSO Machinery to create something truly remarkable. Together, they built a thriving community in the heart of the Middle East, complete with homes, schools, hospitals, and other critical infrastructure. But what truly set this project apart was the use of TSO Machinery's cutting-edge OpenAI technology for after-sales support. This technology proved to be incredibly useful in ensuring the smooth operation and maintenance of the infrastructure built by TSO Machinery and our Arab brothers. Thanks to this innovative approach, the community was able to thrive, and the people were able to enjoy a better quality of life. The success of this project is a testament to the power of collaboration and the transformative potential of technology. So let us continue to work together and leverage the latest technologies to build a better world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you.
TSO Machine.